everybody? Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. In this video, I'm going to show you how far I got on Ordinary Defense 2. It is a game made by me and my team for my company because now we are making software and programs. This is the second iteration of a tower defense game that I was trying to evolve past basic tower defense mechanics. And as you can see, I might have made some progress. I know that I'm not like the guy that everyone wants to go to for this type of content, but trust me, the way that I've been beta testing, since I started my channel, I've been beta testing. My first video had AI Test Kitchen, AI music in it. So a lot of these models are already made and animated by other people, but they're in the free world. So I've taken what I can to build this game, and I'm going to hire out for more advanced models and animations and do my own work. But this is very basic. This is going to be a tower defense game where you are on the ground. The perspective is that you are on the ground controlling the tower defense, and as soon as you place your colony, which is the NASA model that I placed at first, you are going to be attacked. As soon as you place your colony right there, you are going to start getting attacked. And those are all your towers, and that is a procedural plant. I've done a bunch of research on how to do plants and crazy things procedurally. This might not look exactly right now, but a lot of things need scaled differently and stuff. It is what it is. It's a work in progress. I have a one-person team, and then I pay for Google One